Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I am not doing this video to tell anybody that the Nigerian presidential elections that took place on the 23rd of February 2019 was rigged. Everybody knows that the Nigerian presidential elections that took place on the 23rd of February 2019 was rigged. I think everybody on this planet, and particularly everybody within the space of Nigeria, knows that that election was rigged. So that is not news to anybody, and I am not trying to pass that off as news to anybody. So what we are looking at now in the course of this video and in the course of a series of videos that I've been doing and I will be doing going forward is to examine how this rigging took place, to go into the details, into the minutiae, and handpick the processes of this rigging that took place, because of course we all know that Malam Buhari was never elected by the Nigerian people, haven't suffered 4 years of him already and felt that enough was enough, but rather Malam Buhari was appointed by Mahmood Yakubu, the INEC chairman, that he, Malam Buhari, appointed to carry out this exact job. So we all know what happened. So now we're now going into the details of exactly how it happened. So now guys, I bring you this article to present 400 witnesses to tribunal over a period of 14 days to prove that Buhari did not win the 2019 presidential elections. So that's the headline. So 400 witnesses on display. Article to present 400 witnesses to tribunal over a period of 14 days to prove that Buhari did not win the 2019 presidential election. So after what 400 people have to say, and these are not 400 people saying the same thing, these are 400 people at different sectors and different strategic positionings within INEC, all coming out to say that, look, listen, this election was rigged. So after what 400 people have to say, we will now see what the tribunal that was cobbled together by Malam Buhari will now pronounce as a judgment. We've already seen the precursor with this panel saying that they are not going to allow Atiku to interrogate the INEC server, so they've denied him access to the INEC server to interrogate it. So that doesn't portend well for the sort of judgment that they would come up with at the end of this process, because that is already a signal to the mindset that is at play. And of course, you'd have to always bear in mind that all of the members of this panel were appointed by a Buhari appointee. So like Mahmood Yakubu, they were put in place to go carry out a set duty. So now let's get into the body of this piece. People's Democratic Party candidate in the 2019 general elections, Atiku Abubakar, has told the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal on Monday that he and his party want to call 400 witnesses to prove their petition challenging the victory of President Buhari and his All Progressive Congress at the February 23rd poll. The process is expected to last 14 days. The Justice Mahmoud Garba-led 5 panel said the 14 days period is prescribed under paragraph 16(3) of the first schedule of the Electoral Act. In response, the lead counsel for the petitioner, Dr. Levi Uzoku-San, said as much as his clients had proposed 400 witnesses, they intend to call as many witnesses as possible within the prescribed time. What we have not agreed on yet is whether we will be given opportunity or isolate the preliminary objection from the main address. We are also not sure on the length of time of cross-examination. Justice Garba said the length of time for cross-examination will be dependent on the circumstances and facts, particularly the number of witnesses, parties, to the case intends to call. He added, "We shall set a template for cross-examination which will not be sacrosanct. Like I said, it will be dependent on the circumstances." Uzokwo later applied for a 30 minutes stand down to enable parties to the case to resolve on other issues that will arise during the substantive hearing of the petition. The tribunal approved the application. So it's just a short little catch up really with the state of play with this particular matter. So the highlight, the headline, the real takeout from this video and from this piece is that 400 witnesses have now been gathered to now say how that election was rigged by Malam Buhari, APC, and especially Mahmoud Yakubu. We all know that the election was rigged, so we're now boring down into the details of how this exactly transpired, how this action was taken against the Nigerian people, and how this act of subterfuge was perpetrated against the Nigerian consciousness, the Nigerian psyche, and how we have been assaulted in this way by Mahmoud Yakubu and his paymaster Malam Buhari. So now this is the takeout from this video, and this is really the gist of what is being boiled down to in this very detailed video, which is going to bore into the detail of this process. So as ever, we will follow this case to the bitter end, to its conclusion. So there'll be continuous videos on this, and for you to catch up with what the latest is, what the goings on are, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Then that way you are subscribed to the channel, and then click on the bell button as well. That way you are notified every time I drop a video, which I drop every day and severally. So once you've done both, then come tell me what your opinions are about the goings on in this particular matter and in Nigeria in general in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.